Hi guys, and welcome to 22 Denver Ave, Sunnyvale, West Auckland. Nice small complex. It's 9 1 and 2 bedroom townhouses. The one bedrooms are 449 to 515, two bedrooms 660 to 665. Expected completion date is Q1 of next year, maybe early Q2. We see this infill housing product as just a no-brainer. It's at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at best on the property clock. This developer is very seasoned. We've known them for a long time. So you're in a location where the median sale price is $690, and these are 449 to 660. Pretty hard to beat. Cash flow positive pre-tax, i.e. rent less costs, still equals positive cash flow, $1,500 to $2,000 per annum. The rent levels are low in this location in our opinion, so we expect rental growth as well as capital growth while this is being built. So 22 Denver Ave, Sunnyvale, West Auckland. All the information is here on our website. So spend the time and have a look at it and see why a lot of investors are moving out to West Auckland, because it's such a huge infrastructure investment area, and the government and the Auckland councils are making this a big corridor out to the north and the northwest, and it's pretty hard to go wrong there. 22 Denver Ave, Sunnyvale. Check it out today.